For today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable end-to-end encryption and Messenger using iPhone. To do that, open your Messenger app and make sure you're logged in. After that, click the three lines at the top of your screen. And now click the gear icon. Now open the privacy and safety. Over here, you will find different sections. And security, you will find the option of secret conversation. You have to open that and toggle off for that option. In this case, you cannot find the option over here. And what you need to do is to go back to that chat section. Now head back to secret conversations and long press the conversation and delete it. And that way, you will disable the end-to-end encryption. And that's how easy you can turn off or disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.